Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Downers Grove, local and long distance movers near me. No matter where your destination is, interstate or interstate, we can help move your belongings there. We can cover a long distance that is about 50 miles or more, both locally and among different states. For the move to be successful, we have managed to stay on the right side of the law, both federal and state authorities. Also, we have set up insurance policies that will cover all liabilities during the move of our clients and safety and security and belongings. Our policies will also serve our clients after the move. Many people are wary of long distance moves because of their complexity. However, our movers are dedicated and disciplined, and they will help deliver your belongings in their proper condition. Therefore, you don't need to worry about handling your belongings, as we handle them for you, and we aim to keep you satisfied. Our local and statewide services are very affordable and customer friendly. Local moves are very cheap, as they cost about $30 to $40 an hour. Our drivers are also diligently in their duties, making sure that they keep you comfortable throughout the interaction. These drivers are also licensed, and they can help smoothen your moving process in the most efficient manner possible. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Downers Grove moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.